How to add photos and videos to hidden photos album on iPhone iOS 18. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add photos and videos to hidden photos album on iPhone. So let's dive in. So you can follow the same process whether it's a photo or a video. So first you have to go to your photos album, and here you have to just choose any image. For example, let's go with this one. So I'm going to click select on the top right corner, and then I'm going to just select this image over here. And now in order to just hide this photo, whether it's a video or a photo, you can just follow the same process. Click these three dots on the bottom right corner. And now you can see you have this hide option over here. Simply click hide. And now it's going to pop up with this option over here, and you have to click hide again. And it's going to hide the photo. And that's how you add photos and videos to hidden photos album on iPhone. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.